Are you confident that your organization's quality processes are truly up to par? Or do you worry about potential blind spots? Becoming a certified quality auditor could be the solution you've been seeking. Without proper quality auditing, organizations risk product defects, customer dissatisfaction, and ultimately, a tarnished reputation. Employees left unaware of quality auditing protocols can inadvertently expose your company to significant vulnerabilities. For individuals, a lack of quality auditing skills can hinder career growth and leave you ill-equipped to identify and address quality gaps, potentially jeopardizing your professional standing. But fear not, the Certified Quality Auditor course is your lifeline, empowering you with the tools to ensure your organization's quality processes are robust, effective, and aligned with industry standards and best practices. Through this comprehensive training, your organization will gain a robust auditing framework, enabling you to proactively identify and mitigate quality risks, foster a culture of continuous improvement, and safeguard against costly quality issues. As an individual, you'll master the art of conducting thorough quality audits, interpreting complex quality standards and regulations, and developing effective remediation plans to address any gaps or weaknesses. Don't let quality challenges hold you back any longer. Embrace the power of auditing expertise and register for the Certified Quality Auditor course today. Your path to quality excellence starts here.